Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth week lecture of Python programming. In this week we are going to cover the string functions. So we have more string functions: right strip, left strip, strip. The right strip removes the trailing white space on the right side, and the left strip removes the leading white space on the left side. And the strip is common; it removes both leading and trailing white space. So we will see the examples for right strip and left strip. So here assume that s equal to some hello, how are you? So let me keep some spaces in the left side and the right side. So let me run the program now. So now the string yes is, so this is hello, how are you? If you say yes dot or strip right strip, then the right side spaces, trailing white spaces will be removed. So if you say s dot l strip, then the left side spaces will be removed using this left strip function. If you say s dot strip, then the both side spaces will be removed. So next one is find and replace. This is like you can find a particular pattern and you can replace the pattern. You can find a pattern by giving a starting point and the ending point on it. So it is the start and end or the index of the particular string. So s dot find pattern, s dot find pattern, start comma end. These are all the string functions. So it will return the first position in s where patterns occur. If pattern occurs, it will return the first position, starting position of the particular pattern. Else it will return -1. So s dot replace, it will replace the particular string from str to str. So replace also the same thing. So n times it will replace. So if you give the from str, that from point and the n point, and it will, if you give n, it will replace particular n times for that particular string. So we will see the examples. S dot find some pattern we have to do. So for example, u. So it will give you the index position. It will give you the position of the starting point of u. Why? So 17, the u is starting in the index position of 17. So if you can give s dot find, so you can give the starting point also. So like this, 15, 20. So from it will start from 15 and end with 20. So now also we will get the result. It is reduce the it increase the performance of the search operations. It will start from only 15 and it will end with 20. Yeah, it reduces the time complexity. It reduces the time taken for the particular search operation by using the starting point and the ending point. So s dot replace. So the s dot replace will replace the particular string you want to replace. For example, if I want to replace the hello, I have to give the from str to str. So replace from and replace to hello to, for example, hi. So now the replace with the string yes has been replaced from hello to hi, how are you. So like that you can also replace n times. So how many times you want to replace by using the value n. So splitting a string, if you want to split if you want to split a string into chunks by using a comma, then you have to use the, so wherever the comma is there, you can, if you want to split, then you have to use the comma. This is the syntax. That strings will be saved as a list in the name of column. So we will see one example. So how we can use the split. So here the same thing. So s dot split split. I'm not using any comma now. I'm just using uh, dot split. So if you want to split the string s dot split, then you have to use here white space. So the entire string will be splitted and it will be stored in a list, will be separated by commas. So it is separated. It is all now considered as a separate string. It has been splitted using a split function. So assume that hello has, now the string has some commas between the string. So now save it. Again, if you want to, yes, split. So if you want to split wherever comma is available, then also it is possible. So wherever comma hello, how are, and each string which are all separated by commas will be separated using a split function. So that's all about split function. Joining strings. So how can I join the strings when it has been splitted? So now, so after the split, if you want to join the particular string, you can use join string function, and the same syntax as like split. So wherever the comma it is possible, so you just join the particular string. So by using a join string dot join string name. So this is the code. So let me just copy this code. That's equal to hello, how are you? Now just copy. So run. So okay. So there is no column here. Instead of columns, so the string yes is hello, how are you? That string is splitted, and the splitted strings will be stored in the columns. Again, I'm going to use the join string. What the join string will do? The join string will columns. So, okay, there is no column available. So run. So if you execute this code for joining the string, so yes is the string which contains hello, how are you. So that's all about the splitter strings and the join string. So it will make you So it will convert the lowercase to uppercase. S dot title. S dot title will give you the first letter only alone will be converted into the lowercase to uppercase. S dot capitalize. So if the capitalizes in the first sentence, it will give you the H will become the capital, and S dot swap case. So if it is in the lowercase, it will be swapped into the uppercase. So if it is available in the uppercase, it will be swapped into the lowercase. So resizing string. So S dot center. So return strings of length n with S center, rest blank. So S dot center, if you want to make the strings as the center, S dot center, for example 50. So it will allocate the 50 space and it will make the string into center. Center. It is for alignment. So normally we will do alignment, justify, center, left alignment, right alignment. Like that you can do a center alignment by giving a buffer size. So other functions. So some of the other functions are there. It used to check the nature of the character in the string. For example, if you want to check whether it is alpha or numeric, you can use these type of functions. So many more functions are available. So you can check the Python documentation also. So thank you so much.